Hi, everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you've ever thought, ChatGPT is helpful, but it just doesn't sound like me, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to train ChatGPT to write in your own voice, not like a robot, not like a template, but you. Whether you're writing blog posts, books, emails, or social content, this trick will save you time and help your content sound more authentic. Why does this matter? If you're building a personal brand or writing a book, you want your content to sound like you, not like a generic AI assistant. The good news? You can train ChatGPT to mimic your tone, your quirks, and your structure. Moreover, Google's March 2024 update is cracking down on robotic, low-value AI writing. So, make sure everything you publish online is original, conversational, and useful. The magic starts with something I call a ChatGPT style template. It captures how you speak, how you write, and how you connect with your audience. Start by asking ChatGPT to analyze your writing style. For example, copy an excerpt of your blog post and write this prompt. Please analyze my writing style and write a prompt for AI to mimic my writing style. Then paste your excerpt in the quotation marks. ChatGPT will give you a precise description of your tone of voice. Here's what I got. Write in a friendly conversational tone, as if you're talking directly to a fellow author or entrepreneur. Use short, clear sentences and logical transitions. Explain complex concepts in simple language with real-life examples. Structure the content with easy-to-follow numbered sections or headings. Blend practical tips with motivational encouragement. Keep the tone warm, confident, and slightly personal, like you're sharing advice over coffee. Your goal is to educate, inspire, and empower the reader. This becomes the core of your ChatGPT training. Now go to ChatGPT and paste your prompt there. Ask it to write a blog post and give it a topic. And just like that, you'll get your first AI-generated draft. You can even check if an AI detector recognizes it as AI written. I usually use Quillbot AI Detector because it's free and reliable. Simply go to AI Detector, paste your text, click the Detect AI button, and see what you get. As you'll see, Quillbot doesn't flag this as AI content, which is great. This way, you can quickly generate a lot of content that sounds like it was written by a human and, more importantly, by you. If you want to try Quillbot, follow the link below in the description of this video. In case your result isn't as great and Quillbot detects a high percentage of AI-written content, it's a good idea to use additional tools to make it more human. For example, AI Humanizer can help craft more natural, conversational text and fine-tune the tone and style to match your unique voice. Simply paste your text into the tool and click the Write Human button. As you can see, the human score is now 99.94%. Now you have an improved version of your text to either refine further or leave as is. Find the link below the video to test it for yourself. Always think of ChatGPT as your writing assistant, not your ghostwriter. You're the editor-in-chief. Your voice, your judgment, your knowledge, and your ideas come first. Give it feedback, fine-tune your prompts, keep evolving your instructions, add your own experience and insights. Thank you for watching. I hope you find these tips on using ChatGPT to create human-sounding content helpful. Remember, the key is to be the editor-in-chief and keep refining your instructions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my next one on custom ChatGPTs, where you'll learn how to create your own writing assistant and automate the writing process. See you there.